For today's video, I've had the check engine light in my car. It's been on for about 1 to 2 months, and I've been sort of looking for stuff to fix. I was getting the codes P0440, 0441, and 0446. A lot of people were saying that they swapped out the fuel tank overfill valve, something like that, and so I went ahead and did that. A lot of videos end up cutting under the seat, but I was really hesitant to cut under my car. And so instead I went with the alternative route. You have to remove the exhaust, the drive shaft. There's like, I think 2 pieces of plastic that I took off as well. And then you can finally lower the tank, because the overfill valve is going to be on top of the tank, and you can only get to that by lowering the tank. You don't have to remove it completely, just lowering it is fine. And that's what I ended up doing. So, well, not me by myself, but me and my brother. If you're gonna end up swapping this and you don't want to cut under your seat, then you might want to cancel your plans, because this is an all-day job. Alright, so we're changing. Let me get down here so I can help you. The fuel tank overfill valve. Usually people just cut through the top of the seats, but since we have nothing to do, we're gonna actually drop the tank.
Well, we have nothing to do, stupid ass.
Well, you don't actually do, but
For sale.
damn, you did that.
Shut up, bitch.
Where's your keys?
So I can turn around.
Oh man, why'd you turn it off?
Cause we're gonna drop the tank here. That's what I've been on fucking thing.
Alright, so I just want to show everybody what we're doing down here. So before we can drop the tank, we have to take off the exhaust and the drive shaft.
Catch it. From over there.
From where?
Right there. It's probably gonna drop a little bit of oil.
Better not.
Why isn't it coming out?
My fingers. Okay, set it down gently. Gently. Did you mark it?
No.
Did you pop it, lock it, and mark it? So what do we do? Your call, Fefe.
Cut the hole. Fuck this.
Oh, we already did all this shit, so we're not gonna know.
Just fucking cut the
You
hole.
probably would.
Hell yeah.
And there's like 2 more things to do.
You wish. You watch a video. I think he takes off this. I think you're supposed to take that off.
Okay, can you go get my phone?
You go get it while you go eat some fucking burritos. I haven't eaten them.
Okay, let's go eat. We'll come back.
Take off the bolt for the hanger over there.
Where is it?
The one that I took off over here on this side, but on that side. The one you were taking off with the video.
Ah, so I was right.
Hurry up. Stupid asshole. You probably taking it the wrong way.
It's already moving down, so catch it.
Don't you see that the fucking jack is already on there?
It's getting heavy. Alright guys, so we lowered the tank. And we're having trouble right here with these e-brake lines. Or at least that's what I was told, that they're for the e-brake. Who knows? Anyways, the overfill fuel tank valve is right there. We also had to take off the back seat, which you can just pull up and then it just comes off. So there's a clip here and there's another clip over there, and then you use what I think was like a number 10. Take this off, take out the fuel pump. You also have to unplug the clips. Once you unplug that, you can actually start to lower the tank. Yep. Don't lower the tank without taking these off. I think that can actually break it. Okay, so this is the hard part, taking off the thing. So it's right there. I already got the key in there. Hey, the corn guy's over there and I have $5 in the car.
I have 4.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah.
Go call him.
I will call him right now.
You have his number? Hey, that's fine. Alright. I'll get my $5.
You have $5?
I actually have 10. But you have 4, so. I don't know if you guys remember the purse right there. This purse. But since our last video did so well, we actually went and got some new tools. And this is our new toolbox. Yep, and we keep everything organized. So far, no tools are missing. Just the ones that we used today. So when we're done, we put everything back where it goes. Basically, yep, so those are our new tools. But sometimes we still need something from the purse. So we don't want to get rid of this just yet. Because it still has like some things that we need. Like for example, this is not in there. Yep. Or this. Yep. Okay guys, so I finally took this part off.
I finally got this part off.
Oh, you got it? Thank you. You can see that there's a little... Why is it not focusing?
There's a tiny crack along the rim.
Hello everybody. So yesterday we did not get to finish. What we ended up doing was just lowering the tank, and then it was not that hard to put the new one in there. The hardest part was putting it back on, the valve, because we had to put the little screws back in, but we did it. So yeah, and now we're just putting everything back on. We could have done this last night, but he got hungry, so we ended up getting carne asada fries.
You check in the night this way.
And the check engine light is off, so the car works. We actually didn't even have to do all that, because we could have just erased it and the check engine light would have turned off.
Yeah, what do I came back on, you fucking dumbass? Alright, now let's go to the gas station.
Okay, so we're testing out the car. Damn, it runs good. What do you think? Watch out. I think it runs good. What do you think?
I'm thinking, why the fuck is that little kid on the fucking thing?
Ooh, I'm gonna record that shit.
That's some Mexican shit.
Oh, they in trouble. And he's driving that shit too.
Look.
Hey, what the fuck? Can you drive the speed limit, you dumbass?
Shut up, you fucking chicken. Oh, just kidding.
That's what I thought. So we put
But that's
gas.
how your fucking car would look if you put windows.
Oh
in.
shit. You guys look at that car right there. Get closer. Oh, they're going to the drive-thru now. We have to go to the drive-thru. Oh, they're right there. Say hi.
Look, and he has that front lip I told you.
Damn.
And
Oh, and he
hear
has an
our song?
exhaust. Fuck, we should have put the window down. Oh, man. Why you move out my mirrors if you're gonna stay in the same lane to get home?
No, I'm not.
Stupid ass.
Because that shit fucking it's shit. I would have just used this one. But no, your fucking window tints all fucked up.
Alright guys, should I change the window tint? Tell me if you guys can see out the back window.
Cheap ass motherfucker.
Can you guys see out this window? What's that noise? Yeah, so I think it works now. I think the check engine light's gonna turn off now for good. So we should be good, but like and subscribe anyways in case something else breaks. Bye. Say bye to everybody.